Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create this watercolor picture effect from any picture. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm closing this picture and jumping to my other Canva page. Here the picture what I used originally. Going to the apps and searching for Artvatar. This application. I just opening it. And the only thing what we have to do, we have to select a picture on the screen what we would like to use and just click on the generate and replace. It takes a few seconds while the application creating this picture for me. Go into the elements, but first I have to go to the background remover to removing the background from the picture. And just increasing the size a bit, like this. And go into the edit, adjust, and first decreasing the contrast to -100. Go into the shadows, increase to 100. Scrolling down to saturation, also increasing to 100, and the clarity also to 100. So now we almost done. Now we just need the background. Go into this element, typing watercolor, graphics, and go into the filters, and we can choose any color what we want to use. Now I use blue. As you can see, there are lots of blue elements what we can choose. Now I will choose this one. Right click, layers, and send it back. Or maybe just we can increase the size of this element, or just adding one background, or just keep the background as white or black, and we can use this watercolor picture as we want. But first I would like to increase the size of the background. Go into the positions, choosing the background element, and even increase a bit more, and I have to increase a bit more to removing all this white part and unnecessary parts, and now we have the final result. Hope so you like this tutorial, and see you in my next one. Ciao.